So, yesterday we have started the study of solutions of liquids in liquids. So, in solutions of liquids in liquids, the important topics are the law, Raoult's law, and its mathematical form, and then ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions, differences between ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions. Coming to the definition of Raoult's law of solution of volatile liquids, once again I will tell you, in a solution of volatile liquids, partial pressure of each of the component in a vapor phase is directly proportional to its mole fraction in the solution phase at constant temperature. That is, Pa is proportional to Xa, or Pa is equal to P naught into Xa. Similarly, Pb is equal to Pb naught into Xb, where X represents mole fraction, P represents partial pressure, and P naught represents partial pressure of pure liquids. So, and then we have studied what is an ideal gas and ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions. Ideal solutions which obey Raoult's law at all conditions of concentrations and temperature are called ideal solutions. Solutions which do not obey Raoult's law at all conditions of concentrations and temperatures are called non-ideal solutions. And we have also studied the differences between ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions. Now today we will study again non-ideal solutions are classified into two types based on the molecular interactions. Based on the attractive forces between the molecules in solutions, non-ideal solutions are again classified into two types. So, based on molecular interactions, non-ideal solutions are of two types. Number one, non-ideal solution with positive deviation. Number two, non-ideal solutions with negative deviation. Non-ideal solution with positive deviation, non-ideal solutions with negative deviations. Now we will understand what are non-ideal solutions with positive deviations. Solution in which the total vapor pressure is greater than that of an ideal solution, of the same composition and temperature are called non-ideal solutions with positive deviation. Solutions in which the total vapor pressure is greater than that of an ideal solution of the same composition and temperature. That is, P total is greater than Pa plus Pb. That means total vapor pressure of the solution is greater than partial vapor pressure of liquid A plus partial vapor pressure of liquid B. And also the interaction between A-B molecules. What is the meaning of this one? Interaction between molecules of liquid A and molecules of liquid B are weaker than AA molecules and BB molecules. So, attractive forces between molecules of liquid A and molecules of liquid B are weaker than the attractive forces between molecules of AA and molecules of BB. As the attractive forces becomes weak, what happens? Volume of the solution increases. Volume of the solution after mixing increases. That means if you add 10 ml of liquid A and 10 ml of liquid B, the total volume will be more than 20 ml. This is because the attractive force between molecules of A and B are weaker than. When the attractive forces becomes weak, the volume of the solution increases. When the attractive forces becomes weak, vaporization becomes more. Therefore, the total vapor pressure of the solution becomes greater than P and Pb. And then coming to non-ideal solutions with negative deviations. So, these are non-ideal solutions with positive deviation, non-ideal solutions with negative deviation. So, what are non-ideal solutions with negative deviation? Solution in which the total vapor pressure is smaller than that of an ideal solution of the same composition and temperature. So, ideal solution ಗಿನ್ನ vapor pressure ಗಿಂತ ಈ negative solution vapor pressure ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is P total is less than PA plus PB. That means total vapor pressure in these solutions is less than the vapor pressure of pure A and partial vapor pressure of liquid A and partial vapor pressure of liquid B. And also what happens here? Interaction between molecules of A and B is stronger than the interaction between AA and BB. So, molecular interaction between AB is stronger. If the attractive forces becomes stronger, what happens? The volume of the solution after mixing becomes less. So, volume of the solution after mixing decreases. So, this is the main difference between non-ideal solutions with positive deviation, non-ideal solutions with negative deviation. So, this classification is based on molecular interactions. So, now let us study the differences between non-ideal solutions with positive deviation and non-ideal solutions with negative deviations. So, non-ideal solutions with positive deviation. What is the first difference? So, the first difference is here there is absorption of heat on mixing. when these solutions are mixed, that means when non-ideal solutions with positive deviations are mixed, there is absorption of heat. Therefore, it is an endothermic process. So that means delta H mixing is greater than 0 or positive. So if delta H is positive, it is an endothermic reaction. So you will be asked in the examination, if there is absorption of heat during mixing, what type of those solutions are, like that. So first difference is there is absorption of heat on mixing, and here there is liberation of heat on mixing. That is delta H mixing. So it is an exothermic process. So delta H mixing is less than 0 or negative. If delta H is negative, it is an exothermic process. So this is the first difference. In non-ideal solutions with positive deviation, there is absorption of heat. Here there is liberation of heat. Second difference is after mixing, there is increase in the volume of the solution. After mixing, there is increase in the volume of solution, that is delta V mixing is greater than 0. That means if 10 ml of liquid A is mixed with 10 ml of liquid B, the total volume is greater than 20 ml. That means the volume of the solution increases after mixing. So here volume of the solution decreases after mixing. That means delta V mixing is less than 0. That means 10 ml plus 10 ml is less than 20 ml. So the third difference is total vapor pressure. So P total is greater than PA plus PB. Total vapor pressure of the solution is greater than the partial pressure of liquid A and partial pressure of liquid B. So here what happens? P total is less than PA plus PB. And then fourth difference, interaction between AB molecules. Interaction between AB molecules is weaker than that of AA and BB. So here what happens here? interaction between AB is stronger than AR BB. So if the attractive force becomes weak, vaporization becomes more, therefore total vapor pressure increases. When the attraction becomes weak, the volume of the solution increases. And also during the mixing of these solutions, delta H mixing is greater than 0, that means heat is absorbed. And lastly, fifth one, they form azeotropic mixtures. They form azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point. Minimum boiling point. So here they form azeotropic mixture. They form azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. Maximum boiling point. So these are the 5 differences between ideal solutions with positive deviation and non-ideal solutions with positive deviations and non-ideal solutions with negative deviations. So each differences are very important. So there will be questions on each differences, therefore you have to bear in your mind. Coming to the examples for non-ideal solution with positive deviation. Number 1, ethyl alcohol plus water. Number 2, ethyl alcohol plus acetone, etc. Coming to here with negative deviation, examples for non-ideal solution with negative deviation. Number 1, chloroform plus acetone. Number 2, HNO3 plus water. Number 3, HCl plus water. So these are the solutions with positive deviation. When ethyl alcohol is mixed with water, what happens? Heat is absorbed, volume increases, total vapor pressure is greater than partial pressure of liquid A and liquid B. Interaction between molecules of ethyl alcohol and water are less attractive forces, therefore volume increases, vapor pressure increases, etc. They form azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point, and these are the non-ideal solutions with negative deviations. For example, when HNO3 is mixed with water, heat will be liberated. So therefore you will be asked in the examination, if two liquids are mixed with each other, if heat is liberated, what is that solution is? That you have to write, it is a non-ideal solution with negative deviation. If heat is absorbed, it is a non-ideal solution with positive deviation. So if volume increases on mixing the two solutions, if volume increases, what is that solution is? If volume increases, it is a non-ideal solution with positive deviation. If volume decreases, it is a non-ideal solution with negative deviations. So next very important topic is azeotropic mixture. It is very important from your examination point of view also. What is azeotropic mixture? A liquid mixture which boil at a constant temperature without undergoing any change in its composition. is called an azeotropic mixture. A liquid mixture which boil at a constant temperature without undergoing any change in its composition is called an azeotropic mixture. So what is the meaning of this one? So let us consider a mixture of ethyl alcohol and water. So here it is an ethyl alcohol and this one is water. Here 50 ml of ethyl alcohol, water is also 50 ml. What is the boiling point of ethyl alcohol? Boiling point of ethyl alcohol is say 78 degrees centigrade. Boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade. So when this liquid mixture which contains equal volumes of ethyl alcohol and ethyl water are heated, what happens? The liquid boils, you will get the vapors of the mixture. So this vapor contains namely ethyl alcohol plus water. So here 50% ethyl alcohol and 50% water. So in the vapor, when this liquid mixture is heated, you will get the vapor. This vapor contains which component is more? It contains namely 70% ethyl alcohol and 30% water. This is because the boiling point of ethyl alcohol is less and boiling point of water is more. Since its boiling point is less, ethyl alcohol boils first and the vapor contains more percentage of ethyl alcohol when compared to water. So when these vapors are condensed, you will get again a liquid mixture. Again a liquid mixture which contains ethyl alcohol 70% plus water 30%. When this liquid mixture is again boiled, you will get a vapor where the percentage of ethyl alcohol still increases. Say for example, ethyl alcohol 95%, water is 5%. So this method of distilling the liquid, condensing the vapor and again distilling that condensed vapor is known as fractional distillation. So ultimately we will reach a liquid mixture which contains, when this vapor is cooled, you will get ethyl alcohol 95% and water which is 5%. So when this liquid mixture is distilled again, so you will get the vapor where the composition does not change. Ethyl alcohol 95% and water 5%. That means the composition of ethyl alcohol both in liquid phase as well as in vapor phase remains constant. Such a liquid mixture which boil at a constant temperature without undergoing any change in its composition is known as azeotropic mixture. Understand? So in azeotropic mixtures there are two types. There are two types of azeotropic mixture. So first one is azeotropic mixture are also called as azeotropes. Azeotropes with minimum boiling point. Minimum boiling point. Azeotropes with minimum boiling point, and number two, azeotropes with maximum boiling point. For example, ethyl alcohol plus water. What is the percentage of ethyl alcohol? 95% ethyl alcohol and 5% water. What is the boiling point of ethyl alcohol? It is 78.3 degree centigrade and water is 100 degree centigrade. So if you boil this mixture is called azeotropic mixture. If you boil this mixture, the vapor also contains the same percentage, that is 95% ethyl alcohol and 5% water. So this liquid mixture boils at a temperature, boils at 78.15 degrees centigrade. This 78.15 degrees centigrade is less than the boiling point of pure ethyl alcohol and boiling point of pure water. Therefore, this azeotropic mixture is called azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point. What is azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point? The azeotropes which boils at a temperature lower than the boiling points of either of the pure liquids is called azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point. You will be asked, give an example for azeotropes with minimum boiling point. You have to write ethyl alcohol plus water. So, I told you that non-ideal solutions form azeotropes. So, which type of, that second type of azeotropic mixture is azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. Azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. Example, HNO3 plus H2O. HNO3 is 68%, water is 32%. So what is the boiling point of HNO3? It is 86 degrees centigrade. Boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade. Then boiling point of solution is equal to 120.5 degree centigrade. So here this is an example for azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. Example, HNO3 plus H2O. It is a liquid mixture with negative deviation. It is an example for liquid mixture with positive deviation. Here 68% HNO3, you have to mention the percentage as well as the boiling point of pure liquids and the boiling point of the azeotrope. Look at here, the boiling point of pure HNO3 is 86 degrees centigrade, boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees centigrade, whereas the boiling point of the solution is 120.5 degrees centigrade, which is greater than HNO3 as well as water. Such a mixture is known as azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. Then, what is azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point? It is an azeotropic mixture which boils at a temperature higher than the boiling point of either of the liquids is known as azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. Azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling points are given by the solutions non-ideal solutions with positive deviation. Azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling points are given by non-ideal solutions with negative deviation. So this is the meaning of azeotropic mixture. A liquid mixture, this is very important topic. A liquid mixture which boils at a constant temperature without undergoing any change in its composition. This is very important. Is known as azeotropic mixture. There are two types: azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point, azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. Example for minimum boiling point, ethyl alcohol plus water, because this azeotrope boils at a temperature lesser than the boiling point of pure alcohol and water. So this is maximum boiling point. This azeotropic mixture boils at a temperature higher than the boiling points of pure HNO3 as well as H2O. So azeotropes with minimum boiling points are given by non-ideal solutions with positive deviation. Azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling points are given by the liquids which show non-ideal solutions with negative deviations. So you will be asked definitions and then examples for azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point and maximum boiling point.